Okay, so because these both have the exact same trig functions, you want to start with the one that has subtraction, because with the multiplication here, you're not going to be able to simplify anything. And I want to rewrite these to be in terms of sine or cosine. So we know cotangent is cosine, in this case squared, over sine squared x. And then we're just going to keep cosine squared x the same. So then I want to make these have the same denominator. So this denominator is missing sine squared x. So you got to put it in the numerator. So if I clean up and make just one fraction, we'll have cosine squared x minus cosine squared x sine squared x over sine squared x. So taking a look at your answer, this is where we have to get to. So we still have more work to do. So think about the numerator here. We could take out a GCF. So we could factor out the cosine squared x. That'll leave us with just 1 minus sine squared x. Because if we take it out here, that's 1, and take it out here, sine squared. Keep the same denominator. Okay, so cosine squared over sine squared is cotangent squared x. And then remember, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. So if we rearrange this, cosine squared x is 1 minus sine squared x. So that means that part right there is cosine squared x. So those are multiplied together. If we just rewrite it with cosine squared x first, then it will look exactly like that right-handed side